Good afternoon. Looking off to the south and east where a lot of the storm action has been happening since late this morning and now moving into this afternoon. Here in Fargo, we had a couple of showers push through, but that's about it. It's been relatively quiet compared to our neighbors to the south and southeast now, where we've had some severe weather severe thunderstorm warning issued for us not too long ago. It just expired at 12:15, but we are still seeing storms in the area. You can see much of eastern North Dakota getting lots of sunshine here with some clouds, and that's helping our temperatures to rise quite a bit. That will help to fuel storms later. And then, of course, we've got those storms going on right now. So looking at your severe thunderstorm warning, again, this is for Grant County, south of Elbow Lake. That storm has cleared that area and is now into Douglas County and other counties just to the south and east of our viewing area, south of Alexandria. So that's where there's some large hail, some wind gusts with that. That's moving out, though we're still seeing some heavier rain there and lightning. And then up into Otter Tail County, some rain showers there too, just to north and east of Fergus Falls, like just north of that Highway 210 corridor here. And as we take a closer look, you can see Battle Lake getting some good rain at this point in time, and that heavier rain moving on. There's a lot of lightning still with it though, so stay indoors until this passes. And up to the north, just a couple of lightning strikes north of Fergus Falls right now. We're zipping northward because I just spotted a cell that's been popping up in northwestern Minnesota. This is in the Grigla area in eastern parts of Marshall County. You can see a cell that's producing some heavier rain. No rain, or rather lightning just yet on this one. But again, it's just now developing. So that's one to watch here as we continue to progress into the afternoon. So we'll zoom back out, give you a bigger perspective of what's going on. So there's a line that's trying to form here, stretching back into South Dakota. That's going to start moving eastward. Likely will be strong as it moves further into other places in Minnesota. And then here in the valley, we're heating things up, and we may see another round of storms pop this afternoon. So where we've had the clouds, where we've had the rain, we're looking at temperatures in the 60s, as low as 66 in Fergus Falls, to some 70s. It's 77 in Fargo right now. Where we've had straight up sunshine all day, we're into the 80s. It's 85 degrees in Grand Forks and back over to Jamestown, 85. So some real heat there. Wind speeds are, if we're not in a thunderstorm, we're in that 5 to 15 mile per hour range in most spots, generally out of the south before that cold front sweeps through. So our severe thunderstorm risk today, again, eastern parts of the viewing area, that's where we're more likely to get the severe weather, though all of us have that possibility of seeing a thunder shower here. So here's a look at what we've got going on. Those storms that we're dealing with now will move off to the east, and then this is 5 o'clock this afternoon. We'll see more of those storms start to pop as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Once again, southeastern North Dakota, right along the Red River and east from there. Temperatures, Fargo, we may not quite make it to that 90 now that we've had a rain shower pass by. That might keep us a little cooler, but I do think there will be some places in the valley that do get to 90. Those places we just saw on the map that were already heating into those mid 80s. I think that'll be more likely up into northeastern North Dakota. But still looking at a hot, muggy afternoon and more chances at some rain and some thunderstorms that could become severe. You can see some of that here as we head into the 7 o'clock hour tonight. Some of those same places that just saw a storm could be dealing with that again here into the evening hours, and this continues into the late night as well. We're talking large hail, some damaging wind possible. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, but the focus here is on the wind and the hail with these storms. And then by the time we get to midnight, things are starting to wind down. We're watching that system move out and we're quieting down, but during the evening hours tonight could get kind of rocky for some of us. And heading into tomorrow morning, starting off the day on a much quieter note. So here's a look at your 7-day planner. Again, today we may not quite get to 91 in Fargo. We'll have to get some good sunshine from here on out to reach that. But there will be places in the valley that may reach the 90-degree mark. And then the rest of the week, we're talking 80s again and more chances for storms on Thursday. And again on this weekend, Saturday and into Sunday, which could change those temperatures a little bit for us too.
But this is something we got to watch out for, it seems, all for the rest of the day.
That's right. We're already seeing storms now, and we'll see that chance continue. In fact, it'll probably ramp up again as we head into the evening. So keep that Valley News Live weather app on hand here throughout the day.
Good call. Thank you, Lisa.